Hi guys, if you're planning to buy the Café CCWK15C1 WDS Countertop Convection Microwave Oven, make sure to check out the purchase link provided in the description below. When shopping for a countertop microwave, most people expect the usual features like reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen food, or making popcorn. But every once in a while, a product comes along that completely changes those expectations. The Café CCWK15C1 WDS is designed to do far more than a standard microwave, combining multiple cooking functions into one premium appliance that can easily become one of the most useful tools in your kitchen. The first thing that grabs your attention is its elegant matte black finish. It has a clean, modern design that instantly gives your kitchen a more premium appearance. Unlike many traditional microwaves with bulky styling, this model looks sleek, stylish, and sophisticated. It blends beautifully with modern kitchens while adding a luxury touch to your countertop. Its appearance is only the beginning because the real magic happens once you start cooking. This appliance combines microwave cooking with convection baking, roasting, broiling, warming, automatic cooking programs, and fast defrosting. Instead of filling your kitchen with multiple appliances, this single unit handles a wide variety of everyday cooking tasks. One of its biggest strengths is the convection cooking system. Unlike regular microwaves that simply heat food quickly, convection technology circulates hot air around your meal, creating more even cooking results. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, reheating pizza, or preparing chicken, the food comes out with better texture, improved flavor, and a crisp finish that traditional microwaves simply cannot achieve. The built-in broil function is another impressive addition. This feature allows you to brown melted cheese, crisp the tops of casseroles, and create beautifully finished dishes without turning on your full-size oven. It's a feature normally found on much larger appliances, making this microwave surprisingly versatile for everyday cooking. Smart technology is another area where this model stands out. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can pair the microwave with your smartphone to monitor cooking progress, receive notifications, and access supported smart features. It's a convenient addition for busy households that appreciate connected home technology. One of the smartest features is scan-to-cook technology. Simply scan the barcode of compatible packaged meals through the companion app, and the microwave automatically selects the recommended cooking settings. This removes the guesswork, saves time, and helps deliver consistently great cooking results. Safety is also an important part of the overall design. The integrated child lock helps prevent accidental operation, making this microwave an excellent choice for families. It provides extra peace of mind while maintaining simple day-to-day usability. With 1,000 watts of cooking power and a spacious 1.5 cubic foot capacity, there's plenty of room for large dinner plates, baking dishes, and family-sized meals. Whether you're preparing lunch, cooking dinner, baking desserts, or reheating leftovers, this microwave offers the performance and space needed for everyday use. The control panel is thoughtfully designed with clear buttons and intuitive menus. Even though this appliance offers advanced cooking options, daily operation remains simple enough for anyone to use. Automatic cooking presets further simplify common tasks like reheating, warming, roasting, and defrosting, helping deliver reliable results every time.